clean. Oops, forgot to plug the fuel pump in. There. Please start, please. Please start, please. There. It started. That's how we like it. This is an old engine. A lot of miles, so I'm going to do a compression test on it to see what kind of shape the internals are in, or at least get an indication of what's going on in there before I try to sell it. So that's what we're going to do now. Hopefully it has high compression. What I'm doing here is threading in a compression tester. All of the spark plugs are out. Fuel pump is unplugged, the magical fuel pump wire. And then I'm going to crank the starter, and then we'll see what that says. Cylinder number 2, 105 pounds. Cylinder 1, 115 pounds. I would seriously recommend writing this down, but I'm videoing it so I don't have to. Cylinder 3, 125. Wow. Cylinder 4, 120. Number 6 is 130. That's nuts. Something's making a racket here. What is it? Auto shutdown. The auto shutdown relay is going nuts here. No idea what that is. This is my torque wrench. It is dialed, man. It's dialed. You want 82 inch-pounds? You got it. I'm not good with Newton meters. You want Newton meters, you gotta go somewhere else. I smell gas, which tells me that my fuel pump is working, and reminds me that I should plug my coil back in. Let's try that. I have got a guy that wants to buy this engine, so I am gonna go put it in the garage. End of the line for this buggy. Sad day. It's had a good life. I hope it starts. Let's try again. Man. I think I'm gonna have to jump it. Don't go anywhere. Battery hooked up to jumper cables to another rig that's running. I didn't hook the fuel pump back up. Fuel pump's hot. Hope it starts. It'll be hard to get in the garage if it does not start. It ran so good for so many years. I know I'm getting fuel pressure because gas squirts out of the fuel rail when I push the little Schrader valve. I'm gonna go bleed off some fuel again. Now my fingers smell like gas. And it started. It started. I don't know why that works. All I can figure is that it's getting air in the fuel line somewhere. Okay, let's go for a little ride. That's what Vin Diesel says in Fast and Furious. Let's go for a little ride. That's what he says. He says it better than me. And he doesn't drive a Jeep either. He drives a faster car. Also a Chrysler though. So I guess there's a connection. It's hard to drive with the camera right in front of my face. I have to look past it. Kind of like in life. In life, sometimes you gotta look past things. Like things, you know? Like if somebody cuts you off in traffic and mashes your car. You can't hate that person. You gotta be nice to that person. Gotta look past it. See the person. Don't see the smushed car. Or Jeep. Or Chrysler. Hyundai. Whatever it is. Okay. Time to put it in the garage. Tape measure says it fits. Here is where Jeeps go to die. Yeah. Be like, get it. What's that? What's that? Go get it. What's that? Hey guys, we got a few more pieces of the unicorn going away for good. I'll show you. Guy needs the doors and the seats. So, here they are. All very neatly strapped to my truck to go away forever. Selling these pieces gets me that much closer to buying a transmission rebuild kit. part 1 of the Grand Unicorn teardown is complete. I will give you a walk around, kind of show you where we're at with it. So the GoPro died while we were pulling the engine, so we don't have footage of that, but it's gone now. The grill has been sold. Right here is the transmission. This is what we're after. So I'm going to rebuild that, put it in the white Jeep. The doors have been sold. Seats have been sold. So we're well on the way to parting this thing out. That's where we're at right now. Everything on the Jeep is currently listed on Greg's list, so hopefully that will sell soon and we can move on, get this carcass out of here, scrap it, and get a new one, or get the white Jeep in here, start building it up. So I'm looking forward to that part. I'll just be taking it apart slowly, and when I get enough to show you what I've done, then I'll throw it up on YouTube. So stay tuned, stay posted, and thanks for watching.